Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? I am Chris Thompson. We got Frederick bound this morning. Just wrapped up in the lab. We got a tenant check-in today. Well, a tenant buyer. Our lease with option on Heather Ridge. So we're headed there to go check them in, review everything. Let's hit the road. Move-in day here in Frederick. Tenant buyers moving in here. Let's go do a tour. Check and make sure we are good. Everything lights up. Good. And I have this turned all the way down. So everything's back in here. So the freezer, coldest is E. Mm-hmm. So I would obviously turn that down, and then the refrigerator cooling's right there.
Okay.
And down in the basement, let's get our water turned on. Our water meter. Want that runs nice and slow. And then obviously the HVAC. So the filter change is right here. Just undo these two screws, and there's the size. You can order them offline. You can get them from Home Depot. I change them out every 30 days, 45 days, something like that. Washer and dryer, they're pretty self-explanatory. Water heater, we'll turn that back on. So if you ever have to turn the water off for anything, make sure you turn the water heater off as well. That's this one right here. It's somewhat labeled. Alright, so I need a new one of these because this thing is leaking. Currently turned off at the shut-off. We got our lockbox, we got our check, we got our version of the key, or our copy of the key, I guess. And yeah, 5 years lease with option. And I have a small rent increase per year until this person buys it. But solid house. This was actually the first investment property I ever bought. It was a short sale, and it took me 13 months to get through it. It had 3 loans on it. So it's kind of bittersweet that I'm moving on from it. But at the end of the day, it's time to move on to bigger and better projects. Take care. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.